Located in the heart of Osaka, Japan, you'll find Dotonbori, a bustling tourist destination rich with food and entertainment. You'll know you've arrived when you see the iconic billboard of the gleeful running man. Run, Forrest, run! Dotonbori runs parallel to a canal. There are numerous restaurants, bars, and entertainment areas on either side of the canal. One thing worth trying is the Tonbori River Cruise, which takes you on a relaxing 20-minute ride along the canal. You also need to ride the giant oblong Ferris wheel at Don Quixote, which is like the Walmart of Japan. But of course, if you're in Osaka, you have to try the Okonomiyaki. There are literally dozens and dozens of Okonomiyaki restaurants in Japan, but my wife and I randomly chose to go to Chibo. The restaurant is fairly large, with table and bar-side seating, where you get to watch the chefs in action. Being that this was my first time trying Okonomiyaki, I decided on going with Chibo's #1 special, which contains pork, beef, tendon, shrimp, squid, cheese, and konjac, which is like a yam. So what is Okonomiyaki? The name is derived from the word okonomi, meaning how you like, and yaki, meaning cooked or how you like it cooked. It's pretty much a Japanese savory pancake containing a variety of ingredients like the ones I mentioned earlier. The batter is usually made of flour, nagaimo or a type of yam, water, eggs, and shredded cabbage. The okonomiyaki is pan-fried on both sides to create that perfect seared crust. Here you can see art in motion as the waitress masterfully drizzles Japanese mayonnaise and otafuku, which is a sweet and thick sauce similar to teriyaki sauce. Usually at tableside, you'll find a number of condiments. Make sure to add bonito flakes, which are derived from dried, fermented, smoked bonito fish. This here is a Japanese chili spice. This would be aonori or seaweed flakes. Here's more of that sweet otofuku sauce. And Japanese mayo. I wonder if that would be good on elotes. Hey babe, give this bonito boy extra bonito flakes. Isn't it kind of satisfying watching it shrivel? I'm melting, melting. Time to dig in. Who's dumb enough to block the lens as they film? Hey, wait a minute. Dope! So this meal was definitely delicious. When you bite into it, you experience different textures like the crunch from the outside, the chewy goodness of the inside, and a surprise with each bite such as the squid, shrimp, and pork. I must admit though, I wasn't a big fan of the beef tendon since it was a little too gelatinous for me. My wife and I went a little overboard by ordering 2, but I would definitely say that 1 is enough for sharing. Overall, I would say that okonomiyaki is okonomiyummy! Thanks for checking out my video. Be sure to like and subscribe to support my channel, and I'll be sure to upload more content soon.